Now, I have specifically been asked to give some braggy, gross Hollywood examples in this talk. I hope this is braggy enough for you, and Hollywood enough for you, and celebrity enough for you. This happened when I was writing for the Oscars, and it involved an up-and-coming young actor called Tom Hanks, who was given an award to Gina Davis. Let me just clean up the names I've dropped over here. So the way award shows work is that when someone, first of all, we don't write the acceptance speeches. We don't know who's going to win. But we do write what's called the presenter copy. And that's usually pretty much everything that comes before the phrase, and the nominees are. We also write the in memoriam and any sort of lifetime achievement, any sort of awards. That particular year, Tom Hanks was giving an award to Gina Davis because it was the Jean Hersholt Humanitarian Award. I know you're all nodding, going, well, yes, of course, I know who won that. And he was giving it to her because Gina Davis runs something called the Gina Davis Institute on Gender something in media. There's no monitor here, so I have to turn my head like an owl. On gender in media. And before anyone rolls their eyes, because the word gender's in it and we live in 2025, it's a very cool organization. Really, she's a mom, she's got daughters, and she's got very concerned when they were small that they were not seeing all the possibilities on screen in TV and film of the jobs they could have. So she just went out to try to encourage people to show people with jobs as just a cross-section, the way it is in real life, equitable representation. So when these celebrities, they will have a choice when they get asked to give an award like this. And the choice is, do you want the writers to write a draft and send it to you to make it your own? Or do you want to write it yourself and send it to the writers to fix it? Mr. Hanks had me write the draft. So I wrote the draft, and I'm trying to be all Hanksian, and I know I have to add some humor to it. And he's explaining her institute. And I realized pretty quickly, really, it's come down to just a straight middle-aged white guy mansplaining gender equality in this. So that's the joke that I put in. Who better to mansplain gender equality than a straight middle-aged white guy? And then I had him mansplain what mansplaining was. It stayed in. He liked it. You can watch it on YouTube. That's acknowledging the elephant in the room.